Are you ready to unlock a secret weapon that'll make navigating your Fire Stick lightning fast? Trust me, whether you're a seasoned streaming pro or just getting started, this one shortcut you absolutely need to know. It's so incredibly useful, it's a daily game changer for me, yet it's surprisingly overlooked. Let's dive in and discover this hidden gem. This shortcut is a genuine time saver. It's ridiculously easy to use, and yet it's the one feature I consistently find gets overlooked or simply forgotten about by so many Fire Stick users. No matter where you are on your Fire Stick, whether you're deep within an app, browsing the home screen, or even searching through the App Store, there's one single button press that unlocks a world of quick access. Now, we all know that a single tap on the home button takes you straight back to your Fire Stick's home screen. But here's the magic. If you press and hold the home button for just about a second and then release, you're instantly presented with a super handy quick access menu. You get direct one-click access to the features you use most often. Need to quickly switch profiles? It's right there. Want to jump into your ambient experience? Done. Time to power down your Fire Stick? The sleep option is just a click away. Want to share your phone screen? Screen mirroring is instantly accessible. And the best part, instant access to your Fire Stick settings. It couldn't be any simpler. Seriously, this is such a fundamental yet incredibly useful tip to remember. Just that simple press and hold of the home button for just a second unlocks almost everything you need quick and frequent access to, all in one convenient menu. Now I'm curious, if you're one of the savvy Fire Stick users who already know and use this fantastic shortcut, I want to hear from you. Head down to the comment section and simply type the word home. Let's see how many of you are already in the know. And if you're one of the many Fire Stick users who either didn't know about this shortcut, or maybe you've just forgotten about it, don't worry, you're not alone. Let me know in the comments as well, maybe with just a little whoops or a mind blown emoji. My hope is that this little tip will significantly speed up your Fire Stick navigation and save you valuable streaming time. And hey, don't keep this secret to yourself. Share this video with every other Fire Stick owner you know. Let's make sure this incredibly useful shortcut stops being overlooked and becomes a go-to for everyone. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you found this shortcut helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome Fire Stick tips, tricks and reviews.